What's up guys, day 4 with our hike. If you're new to this channel, my name is Adi. So I'm backpacking across South America and I'm in Chile right now. I'm doing the Patagonia trek and this is the day 3 of our trek. And if you missed the part 1, which is day 1 and day 2, click over here for the part 1. And today we're going from here to here, and it's gonna take like say 2 hours walk to a certain place. Then we drop our bags and then we go further up to have a lookout, to see the lookout of the mountains and stuff. And the weather is really good right now. Like we see, it's pretty clear, but in the afternoon they say that it's gonna rain, so I have no idea how it's gonna be, but that's okay. Maybe I don't know. That's all right. So we're done with 5.5 Ks, 2 more K to go to Campentino Italiano. Yeah, the sky looks like it's gonna clear up. So we have reached to our destination. We're gonna keep our bags here and then we walk up to the valley. Maybe that's like 2 hours walk. Oh yeah! I'm walking towards the mountain. It's just getting so much more beautiful. It's like ridiculous. So I've got like 1 hour more to go and we are going on higher altitude, so it's getting more chilly, and I'm just gonna be careful with the trail because it's pretty dangerous here, like if you see. Yeah, and my memory card is just like 20 minutes left, so I gotta save some battery. Should have taken one. We're done 1.5. We gotta go 3.5 to our campsite. So the campsite, they said, was around 2.5 hours walk from the position where we were, but actually it was not 2.5. Like it took us way long to reach to our campsite, and I was just getting tired with each step. I'm so tired right now. It feels like an unending walk. Like it's never ending, man. Like I'm walking like since 3 or 4 hours. And it's just like uphill, uphill, uphill. So tiring. Just day 3 and I'm like so tired. Still got like 2 more days to go. I need a good food and good sleep right now. That can help me to recover. That's it. What's up guys, day 4 at the camping. It's freaking cold. So there's a mountain up here. It's actually dark, but the camera's light is so good that it's making bright. Like it's around 6:30 in the morning and sunrise is around 7:30. So I'm just gonna put this camera on time lapse for 1 hour and we'll see what we get. But I'm gonna go and eat my breakfast because it's freaking cold. I'm just gonna hide it somewhere so that no one can steal it. And yeah.
Party done, shadows walking home, walking with a game on. You are my kind, classic mind, and you look so fine.
Alright guys, day 4. We walk into this place and the weather is not that great, but that's okay because I'm just being positive that it's gonna be better, because that's what I saw in the weather report, that it's gonna be sunny and stuff, but it doesn't look like it's sunny, so I don't know. Yeah, so just gonna keep walking. Today's trek is same 8.5 hours, but it's just the last day, so you gotta push hard. Yeah, I just wanna take the best view from the camera as possible. I know that I'm not gonna be here tomorrow or day after tomorrow, or maybe next year, or maybe next 5 years. So it doesn't matter like how hard it gets. Just trying to make the most out of it. Yeah. And it was a bit chilly, you know, but as soon as you walk faster, it just gets much more easier and your body starts to get warmer and stuff. Yeah.
Well, guess what? The weather just got worse and it was raining throughout the whole 3 to 5 hours, and we were just walking, and then this happened.
My shoes. Yes, I fell down on that muddy area. I just stepped my leg and my leg went into half of my feet. Oh, my bag is wet. Last day.
Alright, so I was just editing the video and I just need to add one. I'll just adjust it. Yeah. So, yeah. After that event happened, I know it's a very small thing, and yeah, so after that thing happened, I didn't record anything for that day because I was just not feeling, recording anything and stuff. And now when I look back at it, I'll tell you what actually happened. So what happened with me was something like this. Yeah, that felt horrible because as I wanted to go up and I wanted to come up with my hands, I was just pressing the ground with my hands to come up, and my hands were going inside as well. And then this guy just showed up and he just pulled me out of the mud, and I was going through a horrible state of mind that time. I was feeling so helpless, and so I was going through so many emotions in my head, and it's just hard to explain, but they were not good, my confidence, it just came down from here to here, and as every step I took that day, I was maybe I can slip down, maybe I can fall into a mud pit or something, because it just happened with me few minutes ago. But as I walked by, I was feeling totally okay, and that's what I want to share with you guys, that no matter how, it's a very small thing, but no matter how shitty condition you are in, just keep going, and there would be a time when you would feel totally normal and you would just get over it. And I also wanted to add one more thing. I just read it somewhere and I just wanted to share it with you guys, that life isn't about avoiding the bruises, it's about collecting the scars to prove that we showed up for it. How awesome is that? Yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna end the video right now. I'll edit this stuff, I'll add this video in the end of that video, and there are so many more videos coming. If you're watching, I'm so much thankful for you guys to watch my, that you guys just spend your time to watch my videos and stuff. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Is my voice echoing here? Hello? I don't know. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot and it gives me so much confidence, because I've just started. It gives me so much confidence to just create more and more videos. As I'm traveling, it just gets so hard to edit video and just upload it, and yeah, it's too much drama, but that's okay. That's what I love, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. face.
I'm glad you came.